Hello everyone, here is my recipe of Nigerian jollof rice. Let's cook jollof rice, Nigerian jollof rice my way. This is how you can cook your yummy, healthy, delicious Nigerian jollof rice. Spraying artificial smoke into your jollof rice is not healthy. That can cause diseases on the long run. This is how I cook my Nigerian jollof rice. You can see that it is very, very nutritious. Even mere looking at it, it is red. I didn't use anything artificial. All I used was red bell pepper, onions. I use Maggi and rice and everything, and this is ready. So this is the best way to cook your Nigerian jollof rice. If you want to learn more about what I use to make this recipe and to prepare and have this healthy, yummy Nigerian jollof rice, let me know in the comment section. I will teach you how you can make this yummy, healthy, nutritious Nigerian jollof rice for your family. Yeah, this is Cecilia Howard. Thank you so much for watching. Again, this is how to cook your mouth-watering Nigerian jollof rice. So healthy, nutritious, and it also tastes very, very delicious. Until next time, when I come your way, I hope you enjoy this. Let me know if you need the recipe. Drop a comment in the comment section. And until next time, when I come your way, again, it's your girl, Cecilia Ho. I love you all. Bye for now. Come and eat. Yay! Yummy! Nigerian jollof rice. Cook all the way from Cecilia Ho's kitchen. Yep.